Yes, students, we are doing integration. In fact, we have already done the integration. Now we are just revising by doing problems whatever we have not done earlier. Okay, so in this series, we are doing exercise 7.3 today. All the questions we have done earlier, I have put the link in the description box, and the complete playlist of integration link for the same I have already put there. We are going to discuss remaining questions of 7.3, and wherever we can catch, we will catch examples also. So this is example 7 of the book, integral of cos square x, and this exercise is for using trigonometric result, and trigonometric results relating to this is cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, and I have already told you since 11th class that we should remember these type of results to use quickly. Okay, so cos square a is nothing but 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. That means integral of cos square x will be nothing but integral of 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. If we separate the integral, 1 by 2 will be outside, integral of 1 plus 1 by 2 will be again outside, and integral of cos 2x. Integral of 1 will be x itself, and integral of cos 2x is nothing but sin 2x divided by 2. Coefficient of x here, right? It is cos 2x, not cos x. So we are to divide by derivative of 2x, which is 2. So this is constant of integration. We get the answer half x plus 1 by 4 of sin 2x plus constant of integration. Simple to get. This will be a 1 marker question in subjective paper also. So you can skip all these lines, these 2 lines especially, okay, in 1 marker question. Okay. Next question. Integral of sin 2x into cos 3x. Sin 2x cos 3x. That means we are going to use the formula for sin a cos b. Sin a cos b. Let us just recall the formula. 2 sin a cos b is nothing but sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. But there is 2 in the formula, so we are putting 1 by 2 here. Okay, so this will be integral of sin 2x cos 3x would be half, I'm taking it outside, sin 2x plus 3x means 5x plus sin 2x minus 3x means minus x. One more thing we can do, what we have already done in the practice. We can put cos 3x in the first case and sin 2x in the second and use the formula, then automatically it will be minus here. Otherwise, you can see this is minus sin x because sine of minus theta is sin theta. Okay, integral of sin 5x minus cos 5x divided by 5. Do remember minus also because this is the common mistake beta. Okay, minus cos 5x divided by derivative of 5x, which is 5 minus half minus cos x plus constant of integration. Again it is minus 1 by 10 cos 5x plus half cos x plus c. Okay, I'm again saying beta, जो मैं पहले भी कहती हूँ, I am habitual to tell you each and every step so that every type of student can understand from the basics. Okay, no one should have doubt because we are not meeting face to face. Okay, so you must understand each and every step. That's why I am writing each and every step. You can skip this step after this. Even you can directly go from this to this. Okay, in one marker, in two marker, you can minimize your steps. Okay, let us just move. Sine cube x. Sine cube x. Sine cube x will appear in the formula of sine 3a. If we can recall, sine 3a is nothing but 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. That means sine cube a, let us just directly put here, sine cube x will be, it will be 1 by 4 times 3 sine a minus sine 3a. Okay, this will be this, and you can easily find integral of this sine a sine 3a. You can easily find. Yes, this would be 3 by 4. Let us just find directly now. Integral of sine a is nothing but minus cos a minus 1 by 4. Integral of sine 3a is nothing but minus cos 3a divided by 3 plus constant of integration. Never forget it. Minus 3 by 4 cos a plus 1 by 12 cos 3a plus c. Okay, this would be the answer. But do remember, beta, this question particularly, I can say this is the example we can do in some other way also. How we can do? Sine cube x can be written as sine square x into sine x, right? And sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Okay, 1 minus cos square x. Now you can easily see you have used the formula, but you are to substitute now. You are to substitute cos x is equal to t. That means minus sin x dx will be dt. That means sin x dx will be minus dt. That means this integral will change to 1 minus t square minus dt. That means integral of minus 1 with respect to t, it will be t, minus minus plus of t square, it will be t cube by 3 plus constant of integration. So this is nothing but sin x plus 1 by 3 sin cube x. Now you can see the answer here and answer in the previous slide were different. Okay, but you can anytime correlate them using trigonometric identities. If you substitute in another way, the answer will be different. No need to worry. You just have confidence in your ways and formulas you have used. Both answers will be accepted. Okay, let us just move. Integral of sine cube 2x plus 1. We have just used the formula. Sine 3a is nothing but 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Same we can use here. In place of a, in place of x, here is 2x plus 1. Let us just find sine cube of 2x plus 1 dx. This would be used. Sine cube a we are to use, that would be 1 by 4 times 3 sine 2x plus 1. Now in place of x it is 2x plus 1 minus sine 3 times 2x plus 1. That means 6x plus 3. Okay, this is here. Simple. Again we can easily find 3 by 4. Constant for this, sine 2x plus 1 integral will be minus cos 2x plus 1. Derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 4. Integral of sine minus 6x plus 3 will be minus cos 6x plus 3. And derivative of 6x plus 3, that means 6, we will divide by this. Plus, don't forget constant of integration. This would be minus 3 by 8 cos 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 24 cos 6x plus 3 plus constant of integration. Okay, simple to get, but you must remember all these formulas. Okay. Yes, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Three functions of sine in product. Let us just try sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Now we will use the formula to change the product into sum. And if we can see, we can put sin 3x, sin x together, and let us keep sin 2x separately. Sin 3x, sin x, that means sin A, sin B. Right? If you remember, this would be in cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. But minus 2 is here. So do remember, this would be integral of minus 1 by 2 cos of 3x plus x 4x minus cos of 3x minus x 2x. Sorry, cos 2x, not only 2x. Cos 2x. Okay, sin 2x. Still no use. There is the product with sin 2x also. So we are just to use the formula again. Cos 4x sin 2x in the first term plus minus half into minus half. I am separating also. Cos 2x sin 2x. Okay. Cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. We have just used in the previous question. Cos A sin B is nothing but sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. But do remember 2 is here. 2 is here. So we are to divide by 2. This would be minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 sin 4x plus 2x 6x minus sin 4x minus 2x 2x. Again sin 2x. Okay, this would be the first integral. Now second integral. For second integral, we can divide and multiply by 2. Here itself, it will be 1 by 4. And 2 sin 2x cos 2x will be directly sin 4x. Which formula we have used? We have used the formula sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a. I am putting a link to revise all trigonometric results also in the description box. Do remember to revise from there. Okay. I will put the link of Google form also, which I have created to recall these trigonometric results. Take help of this. Yes, minus 1 by 4 sin 6x integral is minus cos 6x divided by 6. That means minus minus plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 6, 1 by 24, and this will be cos 6x. I am now trying to write answer in one step. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. That means minus 1 by 8. Okay, sorry, cos 2x. Whenever there is confusion, write again. Yes, again 1 by 4, integral of sin 4x is minus cos 4x by 4. That means minus 1 by 16 cos 4x plus constant of integration. Okay, so in this case, you are to use formula twice or thrice. Okay, but only बट बेटा बात वही आती है, जितने अच्छे से याद होंगे फॉर्मूले उतने अच्छे से यूज कर पाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट रिकॉल ऑल फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस. यस, साइन 4x इंटू साइन 8x अभी यूज किया बेटा हमने ये रिजल्ट. साइन ए साइन बी, सॉरी, sin A sin B. What is that? Sin A sin B is nothing but cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. If you remember, there is minus 2. We can adjust that minus 1 by 2 here. Okay, so this would be integral of 1 by 2 cos A minus B means 4x minus 8x minus cos A plus B, that means 4x plus 8x. I have just multiplied this negative sign with both the terms. So this would be half. Cos minus 4x will be cos 4x itself. As we already know, cos of minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Okay, this is integral of cos 4x minus 1 by 2 integral of cos 12x. Integral of cos 4x is nothing but sin 4x by 4. Let us just multiply by 2 itself. This will be 8 minus 1 by 2, this will be 12, so this will be 1 by 24 sin 12x. Cos 2x, integral of cos 12x is sin 12x divided by 12 plus constant of integration. So this would be the final answer. Easy to use. I think when we have done for 3 factors, you can easily recall for 2 factors. Yes, find the integral of the function sine power 4x. Yes, integral of sine power 4x. Now if you break it sine square x into sine square x, no use. Let us just write once so that you can understand. Sine square x into sine square x. To bring cos square x, you will put 1 minus cos square x here. And you only want sine x. So what about the second sine x? If you put 3 by 2 here, then there is no formula. So we are to think otherwise. We are to use formula itself and sine square x in terms of simple linear trigonometric function, means not power of that, is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so we use it here. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 whole power 2. Sine square power square. And we have used sine square is this. Okay, so now formula for a minus b whole square. 2 square is 4. We are keeping it outside. Now 1 minus cos 2x whole square will be 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x. Okay, cos square 2x. Cos square 2x again can be written as cos square a is nothing but 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, so we can easily integrate these two functions and we will change this here again. Let us just integrate first to 1 by 4. This will be x. Minus 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, but cos 2x, integral of cos 2x is sine 2x by 2. So this will be again 4. This will be sine 2x plus 1 by 4. Again integral of 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Okay, cos square 2x, here it will be 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Now let us just integrate it. 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 by 8 x. This will be 4 into 2, 8. Again for next, but cos 4x, integral of cos 4x is nothing but sine 4x by 4. So this will be 1 by 32 sine 4x. And constant of integration. Definitely we can add like terms. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 would be 3 by 8. So this will be 3 by 8x minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 by 32 sine 4x plus constant of integration. Okay. So you must recall all these formulas. और बार बार कह रही हूँ बेटा, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दे रही हूँ जहां से आप रिजल्ट रिवाइज भी कर सकते हैं, और गूगल फॉर्म का भी लिंक दे रही हूँ जिसको आप बार बार अटेम्प्ट करके अपने फॉर्मूले अच्छे से टिप्स पर कर भी सकते हैं. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट. इंटीग्रल ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स. इंटीग्रल ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर एक्स 1 plus cos x. Now what we can do? If we put cos, we want sine, no use, not sine square we want. If we put sine, we want cos in the numerator itself, again no use. So we can again use the formula. Sine square x would be 1 minus cos square x. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, as we remember, and we can write this as 1 square. That means a square minus b square. Algebraic identity we can use. This will be a plus b into a minus b. Okay, first we have used sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now we are using algebraic identity. This will be 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x. Okay, so again assuming 1 plus cos x is not equal to 0, definitely whenever we are cutting it, we are assuming that this is not equal to 0. We left only with 1 minus cos x. Integral of 1 is nothing but x. Integral of minus cos x is minus sin x plus constant of integration. Okay, simple to use. But here beside the trigonometric identities, we have already used algebraic identity. So you must remember algebraic identities also. Okay, let us move. Yes, sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x. I think simple to find. Such type of question we have already done, and you might have remembered that we are just to separate the terms. First of all, to write as two partial fractions, then cancel them. Let us just do sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x, right? First partial fraction. Second partial fraction is cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Okay, sin square x cancelled with this, only sin x will left. Now cos square x cancelled with this, only cos x will left. So here we left with sin x divided by cos square x, we can write as cos x into cos x. Okay, this is the first integral, plus second cos x divided by sin x. Again sin x we are writing as sin x into sin x. Okay, sin x upon cos x is nothing but tan x, and 1 upon cos x is sec x. We have the formula for sec x tan x, and cos x divided by sin x is cot x. 1 upon sin x is nothing but cosec x. Again we have a formula for cosec x, cot x. Integral of sec x tan x is nothing but sec x, right? Hope you remember. And integral of cos x cot x is nothing but minus cosec x plus constant of integration. Okay, simple to use. We have just used the trigonometric identities here. In the beginning, we are just to simplify. Okay, let us move. Yes, cos 2x minus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. Cos 2x प्लस 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स। आई होप बेटा ये दोनों टर्म साथ में देख के आपको फटाफट रिकॉल हो गया है कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है। cos 2x प्लस 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स। cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. I hope till now you remember all formulas of cos 2a, the modified also, the basic one also. So we have just clicked by observing. This will be 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 2 sin square x will be cancelled with the minus 2 sin square x. We will left with only this will be cancelled, right? This will be cancelled. We are left with 1 upon cos square x, which is nothing but sec square x, and sec square x, integral of sec square x is nothing but 10x. Okay, 10x plus constant of integration definitely. Okay, simple to get, but ये सब तब रिकॉल होंगे बेटे जब अच्छे से टिप्स पर फॉर्मूला होंगे, टिप्स पे फॉर्मूला होंगे। यस, cos 2x upon cos x plus sin x whole square. Yes, integral of cos 2x upon cos x plus sin x whole square. Now what to do? If we are using a plus b whole square, that means cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x. That can also work. That can also work. Let us just do by it. If we can use that. Another way is there. I will show you that also. This will be cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x sin x. You can see cos square x plus sin square is nothing but 1, and 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. I hope you have understood now. If we put 1 plus sin 2x as t, that means we are getting 2 cos 2x as dx as dt. That means cos 2x dx will be half times dt, and this will be t. That means half time integral of 1 by t, and integral of 1 by t is nothing but log of mod t. Okay, I hope it is clear, but we are not to give answer in t, we are to put it back 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, so this is the answer. Simple to get. Let us do by another way also. What is that? Another way is to use the formula, basic formula of cos 2a. Cos 2x is nothing but cos square x minus sin square x. Right? Basic formula is this. Now we can use algebraic identity again. Cos square x minus sin square x means a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b into a minus b. What is a? Cos x. What is b? Sin x. So this will be cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. Okay. Now in the denominator, there is cos x plus sin x whole square. We are to cancel cos x plus sin x, and in the denominator, this is cos x plus sin x. If we can put cos x plus sin x as t, what is its derivative? Minus sin x plus cos x, right? And it is here in the numerator. So function is in the denominator and its derivative is in the numerator. You can even directly write it as log of cos x plus sin x. Let us just write it. We have already done it in the first way. You can either do this because derivative of this is in the numerator. We have seen this last time also. I have shown you. Okay, so you can do in any way you like. Yes, now sine inverse cos x. Again, a very simple question, beta. Sine inverse cos x. Sine inverse sin x is x, if you remember. We are just using allied angles here. Sine inverse sine of pi by 2 minus x, right? We can write it as pi by 2 minus x will be this. And integral of pi by 2 minus x will be integral of pi by 2, that is constant, pi by 2x minus x square by 2. Integral of x is x square by 2 plus constant of integration. Simple to get? Simple to get? Yes. Now sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x. We have done the similar type of question. We are just to separate. This is an MCQ question. Let us just write quickly. This is this minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x. In the first term, sin square x will be cancelled. In the second, cos square x will be cancelled. 1 upon cos square x means sec square x, and integral of sec square is 10x. 1 upon cos x square x, 1 upon sin square x is cos x square x, and integral of cos x square x is minus cot x. So this will be plus cot x plus constant of integration. So answer will be A. Okay. Simple to get, just the simplification. Yes, Ex into 1 plus x divided by cos square Ex into x. Cos square of this complicated function. Let us just see beta. X Ex. If we put t as x Ex, then derivative of this with respect to x is Ex plus product rule we have to use. Ex plus x into Ex, that means Ex into 1 plus x. That means dt will be Ex into 1 plus x dx. Right? That means numerator. Right? That means this integral will be dt over cos square t. 1 upon cos square t means sec square t, and integral of sec square theta is nothing but tan theta, that means tan t here. T means tangent of Ex into x. Okay, so our answer is yes, B. B would be the answer. Okay. So here ends the exercise 7.3. Do your practice.